Golly, the best part about winter? Probably the beautiful white snow blanketing the ground. Completely indistinguishable from the dust of your friends. Huh? What do I want this year? When you grow up, you stop wanting things for the holidays. Besides, if you bought me, say, a bike, where would I even put it? And how would I even ride it? It'd be a complete waste of everybody's time. A red bike with a golden basket. It'd be completely useless. You hear me? Useless. This ribbon? Who cares who gave it to me? I haven't lost the right to be snug, have I? You're jealous. Golly, that's right. The party. They left her there. Abandoned her in the garage to rot in the cold. Her mind burnt to nothing from all that merrymaking. To think she's made so many friends. They're lucky they never saw her in the ruins, living in loneliness, waiting for someone to fall down. At her very worst, even forgetting to eat or sleep. Pathetic. I remember finding her and laughing at how miserable she looked, splayed out on the ground in weakness. Guardian of the ruins? Ha! You can't even take care of yourself. And then, I don't know why, but with half-closed eyes, she touched my face and said, "Azrael, I'll never let you go again," and fell back asleep. Idiot. You can't even take care of yourself.
Huh? Why, yes, there was a time in the ruins when I had fallen asleep on the floor. How did you know about that? The strangest thing was that when I woke up, I was in bed and there was a glass of water next to me. I had always assumed I'd forgotten to get up, but a long time ago I knew someone that always filled up their glass, so the liquid was just peeking over the brim. It was the most efficient way to fill it, they said, regardless of how thirsty they were. Because of that, my son started doing it too, and there were a lot of spills in the house. In the ruins that time, the glass was full, just like that. And recently when I woke up after the party, the glass next to me was too.